On to task 2 here. So we've got this ribbon that they are cutting. Eric and Tom are making small bows for presents. They will need pieces of ribbon like the one shown, which is 2/9 long, which will be cut from a ribbon that is 3/4 of a yard long. So that's what they have. They have 3/4 and they're cutting it into 2/9. They used each a different method to figure out how many pieces they could cut. So let's take a look here. So Eric had 3/4 and he divided it by 2/9. And he changed that. I can see here, he used the copy.flop method. So 3/4, so he times by the reciprocal, times, he flipped 2/9 to make it 9/2. 3 times 9 is 27. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 goes into 27. 8, 16, 24, 3 times. There's from 24 to 27, 3 left out of 8. So Eric used this copy.flop method. That's the method I prefer. So I like Eric's method. So let's check out Tom's here. So they set up their problems the same. They have 3/4. They're dividing by 2/9. So I'm seeing here 3 divided by 2 is not a number that works out very nicely. And 4 divided by 9 is not a number that works out very nicely. So he made common denominators here. So he found their least common multiple, which is 36. 4 to get to 36 is times by 9. 3 times 9, 27. 9 to get to 36 is times by 4. 2 times 4 is 8. So these bottom numbers cancel out. 36 divided by 36 is 1. So that's gone now. So 27 divided by 8 is not a great number, but it makes a fraction, 27 out of 8, which is what we ended up here. So then it goes in there 3 times and 3/8 left over. So if you like Tom's method of making common denominators and canceling out the denominators to make a new problem, that's great. You can use that. So you can choose either way that you like. So here, you're going to tell me the best thing that describes Eric's solution. So think about what did Eric do and see if you can find that answer here. Hey, now I want you to explain to me what did Tom do. So tell me this first part, what is 3/4 divided by 2/9? Where did that come from? Where did this second part come from? Where did this come from? So each step, just tell me step by step, what did he do to solve that problem? Okay, you're welcome to check and look at this sample answer, but please don't just copy it. I would love for you to do some thinking by yourself. That's how you're going to learn best. So now it wants to know how many whole pieces. So the quotient, the whole number, how many ribbons could be cut. And now this wants to know what expression tells us how much is left over. So if I come up here, I can see that they have 3/8 left over. But what I really have is 3/8 of 2/9. And that word of means to multiply. 3/8 of 2/9. We're going to multiply 3/8 times 2/9 here. He doesn't just have 3/8 left over. He's got 3/8 of the 2/9 ribbon, which means he only has 1/12 left. So what does 3/8 in the quotient mean? The amount of ribbon left over is 1/12, which is 3/8 of 2/9. So 2/9 is kind of like our piece there. That's what we want, and we only had 3/8 of it, which is 1/12. So when you have 3/8 of something else, we want to multiply to find that answer. Okay, so down here, just go ahead and tell me whose method you prefer, Eric or Tom's, and tell me why you like that way better. So go ahead and pause and do that.